Good afternoon. Greetings to each one of you from the Training and Placement Department, Global Academy of Technology. It is indeed a privilege for me to reach out to you through this short video. We have been confined to our respective homes for the last 2 months. We never thought that we would be restricted to our respective homes, locked down inside for 2 months. But that's the challenge the entire world is facing. And I hope that all of us together, as individuals, family, institution, and as a country, shall overcome this pandemic COVID-19. Many students were calling me, especially the 8th semester students, to inquire about the training and placement activities. And I, in turn, have also reached out to many HRs and executives of various companies who have been our recruiting partners for the last 6 to 7 years. Yesterday was the last meeting that I had with the company representatives. After that, I felt that it is the need of the hour for me to convey certain things on behalf of the Training and Placement Department. This is exclusively for the 8th semester students. You may be having many questions regarding the placement, and I presumed that some of your questions I can understand. And I hope that through this short video I could address some of your concerns. One of the most common concerns with many of you would be like this: will the companies to which I got recruited, will they honor the commitment of job offers? If that is your question, the answer is this. As I have spoken to all the HRs and the executives of various companies, they have confirmed that they will honor all the job offers that they have made for the 2019-20 batch of students. But since the academic activities are not completed or will not be completed in the month of June, it may take much more time, the companies would defer the joining dates. Otherwise, it would have been in the month of July. The usual joining date starts from the second week of July and it goes till September. So most of the companies, they give the offer letters and the joining date should be completing by the third week of August. But now that would be deferred because our academic activities are not yet finished. They have to wait for academic activities to be finished so that you get the course completion certificate, and then the companies will give you the joining dates. So if your question is this, that will the companies honor the offer letters that they are given to me? The answer is yes, they will honor. The second question is, some of you who are not placed, you will have this question: I am not yet placed, will the college support me? If so, how long? If this is your question, the good news for you is this: we can directly support you till September 30th, 2020. As I have interacted with many HRs, they have said that they are willing to do the recruitment process for the 1920 batch up to September 30th. After that, they would start for the 2020-21 batch. So the good news for each one of you who are not placed is this: you have time till September 30th. It's not that on the September 30th day we will do all the recruitment. We will start it once you finish your academic activities, you finish your exams and other things, we will immediately start with the placements. And the placement activity will not be as it was earlier, when the company representative will come to college, you visit the college, and the process happens here. It will not be like that. It will be web proctored. You will be at your respective homes, and from the comfort of your respective homes, you will have to take the online test. Once you clear it, you will have a Zoom or a Skype based interview, first 2 levels, and then the document verification. Again, that will happen online. And then finally the job offers will also be rolled out to you online. So I hope that I have given a good news for you, for those who are not yet placed, that you have ample of opportunities. We will not relax until we give the maximum opportunities. We are trying. Even during this lockdown period, it was a good time for us to interact with the company HR executives because they were available all the time. They were working from home, and that was the privilege for us to interact with them. In the normal days, it is very difficult to directly get on with the HR managers and executives. But during the lockdown period, I felt it was 86% success rate. The moment I call somebody, they are responding. The normal days, that was not the case. And so it is up to you. You should be confident and start practicing and upskill yourself. Don't just waste the time, just upskill yourself, because this lockdown period will be soon over and you'll all have to venture out and make a career. So be confident. And if it is another question that you have, that I am placed, and what if a company fails to honor? Till now, all the companies that have rolled out the job offers, they have said that they will honor it. In case, if there are some companies that will not be able to honor the offers, what the college will do? If that is your question, the answer is such candidates will be given other opportunities in the top companies and in the core companies as per the earlier offers that you had, or even the much better offers will come your way. So you not have to worry. That is our responsibility. Collectively we will do. Here we are not in a position to put the blame. I am not putting the blame on the companies, nor I am putting the blame on the students. Or the students should not put the blame on the college or the companies. All of us should come together. I should do my part, you have to do your part, and the companies have to reciprocate. All will happen because everybody is concerned about your careers. And when I spoke with the companies asking them how sustainable is the recruitment process, every company HR executive said that they don't have problems of fresher hiring. You might be seeing that in the news and newspapers that many layoffs have happened in the last 2 months. So that is for those who are already in the company, working in the company at the middle and high levels. And the company's executives have made it very clear to us that there will not be any problem with the fresher hiring, at least for the next 2 years. So that is another good news for you. And we will support each student. Some of the students have specific needs. Some of you have contacted us, spoken to us. We will ensure that you will have a great career. So that will happen only when all of us pitch in and do our best. So college is doing all the necessary things possible to engage you in the online classes, and I have heard that test classes, everything has been actively happening, and I'm also sure that you're also learning, because classes handled from the faculty perspective is one thing, and the grasping that happens at the student level is altogether a different thing. Only when the grasping happens at your level, the real learning has happened. Otherwise, it is just the pushing of the information. I hope that you would have not wasted much of this time and you have at your work learning things day by day. We all shall come out of these challenges. Don't worry. I know that as an youngster, you will have a lot of apprehensions. I am in the final year. I thought of bright future, and suddenly COVID-19 has come. It has swept across the world. What will happen to my future? Maybe your parents may have that apprehensions. What will happen to my child? I think some parents have called me and checked. So all this we will together overcome. So as long as each one of us, we are the stakeholders, may the institution, the companies, the parents, students, all of us can pitch in and do our part, then I don't think that there is any problem for your careers. So once again, I would like to wish and encourage each one of you that continue to practice for the respective companies. We have the online portals and the online practice test and mock test. So continue to practice and be confident, upskill yourself, because if you lose confidence, then you feel very low, and once you feel that you are low, you cannot achieve things. So be confident. We will very soon overcome this pandemic and see that all of you will have a bright, prosperous and glorious career. From our end, all of us here from the Training and Placement Department, Training and Placement Coordinators and the Principal and HODs, we would like to wish you that be safe, be confident, and we shall together overcome this pandemic successfully. Thank you very much. God bless.